Okay, don't worry. Okay. How are you, ma'am, first of all?
I'm fine, sir. And what about you? May I know your name?
Yeah, really,
And
Malpur. So, yeah, really, so we are meeting very first time. So, I'm going to introduce myself. Well, my name
definitely.
is Jam. I am from Bihar. I am intermediate pass. Talk about my hobbies. I love to travel. I love to talk to people, and I love to watch English content. Moreover, I have a YouTube channel and where I upload English conversation videos. And I'm not learning English, but also improving myself. And currently, I'm talking to you from the Kuwait. I have been doing job in Kuwait for last 10 years. Yeah, that's all about me, madam.
Okay, that's great. And let me introduce myself.
Yeah, really. I'm sorry.
My my name is Reena, and I'm from Haryana, and I'm homemaker, and I have two kids, and I have done master, and nowadays I have been learning English for you can say 7 months and 8 months. I am trying, and so I'm here. That is all about me.
Hmm. Okay, okay. Great. So you have been learning it for last 7 months.
Right, right.
So should I ask you some question?
Definitely. You can ask
Okay.
any question.
What what all are you doing to improve your English? Someone is calling to you? Hello? Yeah, someone is calling to you?
Yeah, don't worry. Carry on and go ahead. I didn't pick up that call. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so my question is, what all are you doing to improve your English?
Okay. Definitely. I thought it was English was my favorite subject. It means initially day. I have done all study. You can say Hindi medium. So one day I thought my mind. I was preparation any another exam. So I have given up that habit. And nowadays I thought, how can we speak? So I'm trying that type of activity. I had ambition, and I want to do fulfill my desire. I want to improve my English. So it was my problem, it is my problem. Anyone, they can't force me, you should do that type of activity, you must do that type of activity. Doesn't matter, I want to do only myself.
Okay, great, great. So you are learning English yourself?
No, no, I have some friend. I would like to talk with them sometimes if we are talking VC. No, no, VC
You
mean.
have friends. You
Mhm.
have friends and you practice with them, am I right?
Right, right. Some friend you can say, some friend I want to talk with them. So I'm doing this type of activity. One day I can't talk with on the video call. If I will do continuously that type of activity, so my hesitation will be, you can say, decrease. And
Mm,
we want to do uh, run away or hesitation. It's my problem, I can't talk on the video call. Definitely I because if I will I'm talking on the same friends all the day. I will not have any problem with them. I want to speak with them. Oh, any particular topic we can discuss. We can discussing together. We can discuss together. But I will have problem if I will talk about a new person. At that time, I sometimes I have some problem. I don't have any problem. I'm able to speak in
okay,
English, and I want
I
to do
can.
this type of activity.
I can understand. When you talk with your friend at that time, you don't have hesitation and fear, right? But when you talk with stranger people, at that time you have hesitation, fear, and just because of hesitation and fear, you are not able to talk properly, right? Confidently. Okay.
Sometimes I have forgotten. I want to speak any different sentence. It means so. I don't want to talk. It means our personal matter. We are talking only about related of our English regarding of our English conversation. We are talking only. You can say uh, external, right?
Yes. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. So, actually, do you watch English conversation videos? Which channel did you follow?
Yeah, definitely. English speaking. Uh, uh, I watched that type you can say related of conversation video. I have subscribed that channel and another institute happiness subscribe that channel and there are so many English content channel I have subscribed and I want to
Mama.
do uh, I want to do listen that type of English conversation video and cartoon video. We can watch, we can listen also as well as according to me, it's also good idea.
هذا قطة برا. هذا بقى. هذا 3 4 يوم بابا مال انت ميت. دقيقة دقيقة. هذا بعد ما خلي. هذا زين. هذا زين.
Okay, madam. Continue. I'm here.
Mhm. Are you outside? Uh,
حق انت ها. اوكي سلام عليكم.
Yeah, actually,
هذا
one
بابا مال
person
انت
has.
7 يوم يقول تعال تعال هو ميت.
Okay, okay, no. Okay, okay. Continue, madam. Continue.
what is your profession, sir? What do you do? May I know?
سلام سلام انت انت.
Actually, this is Kuwaiti people. Okay, so I have to talk with him in Arabic language. Okay, so now I'm here. Don't worry. Continue. And what were you saying to me?
Okay, okay. I was asking about your profession. Profession. What do you do? May I know? Hello?
Yeah, profession. Actually, I am in the Kuwait, and I am trainer of the pigeon bird. Okay, I train the pigeon. I train of the pigeon.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's good work. Okay,
So
okay.
this is
And
my work.
have you
Mhm.
any question in your mind for me? Do you want to ask me?
Yeah, yeah. I have lots of questions. Okay, okay. So when you started your English journey, so what kind of challenges did you face?
Actually, I have starting journey. You can say, uh, in my I starting this type of journey. In a starting days, I didn't have any environment, so we can create our environment. We can do some friend. We can message talk. We can talk message with them. We can message on the English. We must message with them, it means English, and we should speak, we must speak LSRW. Listen first, we will have to listen some videos, and second we'll have to write if we are free, so we can write also, and we must speak, and third one,
Mm,
we will have to write and speak, write and listen and read.
mm.
Reading
Okay,
is
okay. I got it.
important.
I got it. When you started your English journey, at that time you listen a lot, right? You wrote a lot. After
No,
that,
no,
I think
we
to
have
improving.
idea. I didn't have idea we can listen.
Mhm.
In initially day, I was listening only. You can say 15 minute, 10 minute only, and
Mhm.
if, I was doing same activity whole day, every single day. I wanted to do that type of activity, but right now I am able to understand all things. But in initially day, I couldn't understand. I don't know because I didn't have any environment, and we can say if we are doing any same activity every single day, definitely we can do any another
Mhm.
work.
Okay, okay. So what is your daily routine, madam? May I know what do you do in?
Right now it is recording session. I don't want to share daily routine. It's my daily routine. You can understand. I'm homemaker. I have to do household chores. So in this situation, it is recording session.
At
It will
what
not.
time? I'm going to
It is
ask you question. At what time do you get up in the morning time?
morning time. I woke up at around at 6 o'clock, and then I had to do any, you can say, kitchen work in related of kitchen. It's my duty and it was compulsory for me. I prepared for tiffin for my kids and my husband, and then I wanted to go on the temple for worship of God, because I'm theist person, and I want to do this type of activity every day. And after that, in temple, I went to come at my home, and then I swept at my home, and then after that I had to cook food for me for breakfast, and then
Yes.
I want to uh, take rest 1 and 2 hour, and after that. You can say sometimes I want to talk with my friend if I will be free. So it's my daily routine. In evening day, I want to talk with my friend, and after that,
Great,
uh,
great. Mm. So within a 7 month, you have improved a lot, and nowadays you are able to speak English. You are able to convey your thoughts. Okay, so who joined you in this group? May I know?
yeah, anyone. I had one friend, so I asked him, I asked
Mm.
her, and so after that, I joined. I
Okay.
joined.
So when did she join you? Join you?
15 days ago, I joined that group, but I'm not using properly. It means every single day I'm not using
Mm.
this type of activity. I
Mm.
have fear. I said already uh, with you. So I'm not using it means regularly. I'm using it means nowadays I want to do use lack of, you can say, confidence. I couldn't do that type of
Mm.
activity. But one day I thought about me. I'm doing also, I'm wasting my time here and there. It is also not good for me. If I want to good use my time, we must good use our time. We should not waste our time here and there. I am able to speak in English, and I want to do practice. So as well as if I'm recording my video, as well as I'm doing practice, it means we are good use of our time. We must good use our time. We don't waste our time here and there. One day time will be waste us.
Mhm. Right. Yeah, really, you have great idea that you don't want to waste your time. You want to, can say use your time right way, and now nowadays you are utilizing your time right way. Okay, great.
Right.
So, what do you do in your free time? Free time, what do you do?
Free time, I read sometimes. I want to do read. It means some page. I don't have too much time. Sometimes I want to. I had to teach my children, so it's my duty, and you can say it's compulsory for me, and I have to do. I had to do those type of activity. If I will be free, I'm talking with you, and sometimes I want to do learn new vocab, but I'm not using right now. I mean, not using new vocab. If we don't, it is not compulsory. If we are talking only one time we can't use our vocab. Gradually, we can use any different type vocab time to time. You can say I believe and I trust I can do this type of activity, and I'm sure. So you can say you can understand about me.
Don't worry, I assure you that you have been facing some problem. So, because you have started recently your English journey, then definitely within some days, within some month, you will improve your English, and your English so you will be so good. Okay. So try to do practice every single day. Doesn't matter. Don't think about the other person. According your knowledge, as far as your knowledge, try to speak English in front of people. Okay. 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Try to do practice. Here there are lots of people over there. Okay, and they are all learner. They are improving their skills. They are learning in skill. Okay, so try to
Yes.
do practice only. So after learning English, my other question is, after learning English, what will you do? Do you have any goal or not?
I have goal. I want to do become English teacher. I
Oh,
have
great.
goal. I have done PRT teacher course, but I'm not doing. I don't have interest. I want to do become a successful English teacher. I don't know how can uh, I am able to do become a English teacher. I don't know, but I'm trying. I'm trying. And definitely, I will do. We will do if we have. If we want to do, so we can do any work. Everything is easy if we are doing same type of activity.
Believe,
And
believe, first believe in yourself. If you have decided that one day I will become English teacher, no one can stop you. Listen to me. No one can, stop you. Okay, definitely you can become. But it takes time to become English teacher. It takes time to get a fluency. Okay, try to do practice every single day. Whatever you want, you can become, because God has given you good quality, unique quality. Every person, every people can do anything. Okay, so you can do. Lots of people can do. And I was not also able to speak English early 1 years ago. But when I spent my 1 year, after spending 1 year, I am able to speak English. I don't have fear and hesitation while speaking with someone,
definitely,
anyone. Okay, so definitely, uh, hard work. Hard work. Okay, if you do hard work, you will get a result. See what is going on. Whether whether you do something or not, time will pass. Time will not wait for you. Okay, so if you waste your time, so you will not get anything. If you utilize your time, definitely you will get something in your future. This is
definitely.
your this is your present. Okay, you do something, you try to do something in a present. Okay, don't think about future. What will happen in future? Definitely you will have lots of things in future, and you will get
Mhm.
something. Okay,
Mhm.
no need to agitation fear. Try to open your mouth. Try to do practice. Okay. So do you have any question for me that you can
Everything.
ask me?
Your English is good, I can see, and you don't have fear, you don't have hesitation. You are able to convince anyone, you can explain your thought without any hesitation. So I can say you are okay. Anyone here? Okay, thank you for giving me chance. Okay, we will.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, madam.